Get close enough.
Long time no see.
Oh. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
We're packing heat now. No need to buy that again. Upgrades ready. Are you? Make sure to tell you know it is quality when you buy from Miss Zircon.
Fun guy. That's enough fun for one day.
Needle once.
You dispatch them quite capably. I would not advise that.
Feel free to browse. You will be missed.
that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
Runs into that rift thingy.
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
All right, smarty bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? It's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
No, don't hide! Ah!
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Well, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts!
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! I got it!
Please, be careful.
What did I say about backseat driving? There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find the Lombax.
Another Lombax? Tell us where your friend is, Josephina.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
amped right now! That gun's harsh enough!
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Enemies not getting the point? Hit them over and over again with the ricochet! More power is always a good thing! Pleasure to see you! Make sure to tell your friends. Welcome, sugar. Feel free to browse.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will